Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for today. Today is Monday, March 17th, 2025. And as you guys can see, my profit for today is $77. Nothing too crazy, but I just wanted to make this quick video, showing my breakdown and everything for today. So let's get into this video. All right, and as you guys can see, I have been trading Google stock, GOOG. And yes, it's been a wild ride today. As you guys know, like I normally say, limit your trades. Clearly, you can see that I only took a series of 3 trades, which is, it's insane because, all I really wanted today was pretty much like $50 and nothing crazy. But yeah, you guys could see like these patterns. If you take a look at the overall trend, especially in the morning time, you guys could see that, it's actually going down. And then we had this nice reversal coming back up, closing out again on the red. The market has just been so like up and down and up and down. Like you have to know how to actually trade in this or you're going to be wiped out. Again, like I keep saying, limit your trades. So if we take a look here at my first trade, we opened up in the morning, very nice, 167.68. Had this nice spike up in the morning. Then we had this dip, sell off, continue to go, spike up, dip, these nice waves right here. And then again, like I normally do, I usually wait until I see a nice opportunity for it to reverse, and then I get in. And then as you guys can see, I got in, but I got right out because the market has been so choppy at this time. It was just, I think my first trade I probably made like only 20 something dollars, and yeah, I didn't make my profit target. So I told myself I'm going to take a total of 3 trades, and then after that I'm not going to trade anymore no matter what happens. So when I got into my second trade, I took 100 shares, 166.68, got in, had this nice push up, sold out way too early, but it is what it is. Sometimes you can sell out at the very top, which is okay. And then for this second trade, I think I made about like $43 or so. You can see it in the video right there. I actually took a video when I was trading this one. And then for my third trade, my third and last trade, I decided, okay, $43. Yeah, it wasn't quite my profit I was looking for today. So I'm going to make sure I hit my profit and then walk away. Like I said, limit my trades. And yeah, that's exactly what I did. So I got in. This time I took 200 at 166.51 again, because especially with Google stock, it's just been such a wild ride. And I hope you don't ever trade in situations like this. But if you're not experienced, you are going to be wiped out, like I said earlier. And yeah, I got in 200 shares, 166.51, and then as you guys could see, we ended up dipping even more. So I did not get the catch on this, which is fine because I had already had my profits previously, which is fine. I just pretty much gave back a little bit at this point, and then we had this nice bounce up. And at this point where it came back, I think it came back to the same break-even point, 166.50, at where I actually bought in. And yeah, there was no profit to be made here. So I waited for another sell-off and then a reversal for it to come right back up. Again, I got out a little bit too early. That's okay, because I just wanted to make my profit. Like I said, $50 for today. It's insane. Like I said, usually I would just do one trade, get in, and then get out, and then I'll just make my profit. But today it was just not that case. The overall market pretty much went from red to green to red to green, and then it ended off on the green, but not too strong of a green day for most stocks. At least for Google, we actually ended up in the red, as you guys can see. So when I took my last trade, which you can see in the video, I set my price that I actually wanted to exit, and then that was it. I'm done for today. It is what it is, and then we actually continue to rally. Again, if you're not cautious and you're emotional, and you are an emotional trader, you are going to, get back in and then get back out, it's not a good habit to have. You have to know how to limit yourself, know how to walk away, and tomorrow will be another day. With that being said, imagine if you had actually got in, but let's say you got in at the top or even right here, you guys could see on the close, pretty much it just gave back all the gains, which is not a good thing to be stuck in, you know, at least on the day if you're trading intraday. So that's my overall take for today. Nothing too crazy. I know it's only $77 profit for today, but what I really want to drive home with this video is just making sure you know exactly what you're doing. Make sure you have a plan. Make sure you don't overtrade, because sometimes you get stuck into the cycle of like overtrading or revenge trading. That's just not a good habit to have. So yeah, let me ask you guys this in the comment section below. You know, how have you guys been doing so far? Has it been a great day trading for you today, or have you actually been on the sidelines? You know, did you actually make profit, or did you actually lose money today? Let me know in the comment section down below. And again, if you have any questions, I know it's been a crazy market, you know, with everything that has been going on. People thinking this is going to be the reversal of all reversals, where everything's just going to come back into the green. I think not just yet, but you know, who am I to dictate what the market does or says? So I just know how to, you know, make, even if it's small profits, I just know how to get in and get out and make my profits and walk away. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and I'll leave it like that. And yeah, you guys know what to do. You know, hit the like button, the subscribe, the notification, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. You know what to do. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.